Ann Arbor. Let me take you inside. Previous homeowner installed a B-dry system. So why is it leaking? Lifetime warranty, supposedly, right? This is the back wall. That's where Matt's digging. That's where the water comes out onto the floor. Sidewall from the edge of the window that way to the corner. So I know there's no parging on the outside of these blocks, number one. Anyway, the water comes out right there. Yep. You see the condition of this puppy? So there's exterior openings allowing the water in. This is the older part of the basement, the original, and that's the newer. And notice that they also put some blocks against the blank wall, and look what happened to that. That's a B-dry system, man, all the way around. And the basement wall's bowed in there, bowed in there. Yep. That's right. Night night.